Alright guys, well welcome back to the channel. Today I am just walking a trail near my house. It's quite cold, as you can see. Not a lot of greens, but there is a lot of white. So today we have the 35 to 16 millimeter lens, Sony Gmaster. It's pretty good in the low light, so that's why I'm using it today. And the quality of the images are amazing. So that's what we're going to be using right now. It's a beautiful day, a little frosty, but other than that, very good day. I see an image right over there, so I'm gonna go over there really quick. It'd be a very simple, very minimalistic shot, so I like that. Oh, this is nice. Cool. I'm gonna keep going on the trail. See what else we can find. Okay, so I found another image. It's just pretty much this trail right here with the beautiful gray frosty trees. It really shows how cold it is right now. So we're gonna go ahead and take an image of this. Nice. I like that. Oh wow, look at this right here. That's awesome. So yeah, this lens is pretty good. It's a wide angle lens, very good for low light, and if you want really high quality images. It does only go up to 35 millimeter, but for portraits and real estate, it's really nice. I recommend it to all my friends that ask me about it. Wow, take a look at this. That's awesome. This trail in the summer is very beautiful. Lush green, like grass, and the water right here. It's very nice. And it's very nice right now as well. I'm enjoying this. Wow. Oh wow, look at this right here. I'm gonna take one with the trail, and then I'm gonna go over here and take one without the trail. I could Photoshop that out, but it's easier just to move. This looks like a movie scene right here. This is crazy. Wow. Oh, I love that. I'm gonna take one with this grass right here. Let's see how this looks. That's awesome. Very beautiful scene right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these trees right here. I'm trying to find an image with this grass right here. Okay. Very simple. Again, I'm not trying to take images for my portfolio. This is just a nice walk through the woods, seeing what I can photograph. It gets me outside, and I can just enjoy the weather. Walk around a little bit. Think. There's no noise. Very calm, very quiet. See if there's an image here. like that. The reflection of the water in the back. These beautiful leaves. Oh, dead leaves, but still very nice. That's a good shot right there. Look at that. Wow. Very cool. I like that. I'm just gonna go along this river right here. This is a very, very cold image. I like it. Wow, that is awesome. So if you guys are interested in these moody walks through the forest, make sure to subscribe, because it's gonna be like this for a couple months. So every trail is probably gonna look like this, or covered in snow, unless I travel. As the videos keep coming, eventually the summer will approach and the videos will change. They'll be very colorful, warm. I'll be doing camping POV videos. I will have film 35 and 120. Those videos will just be separate, I guess, from the digital ones, just because of how long it takes to get the film back. But other than that, I'm excited. I'm getting the hang of it. Now I'm just fixing a little bit of the quality of the GoPro. So just let me know in the comments how it looks, and yeah, much appreciated.